Lawyers for a Melbourne man accused of throwing his daughter off the Westgate Bridge have argued he can't be held responsible for his actions. The Supreme Court trial of Arthur Freeman has heard he was mentally ill when he killed 4-year-old Darcy Freeman. But prosecutors maintain it was a deliberate act by a man bitter about his marriage breakup.
The facts in the case of Arthur Freeman aren't in doubt. In 2009, he threw his 4-year-old daughter Darcy Freeman off the Westgate Bridge. It was meant to be her first day of school. Instead, she fell 58 metres to her death. In opening the case, prosecutor Gavin Silbert told the jury it was a deliberate and conscious killing committed by a divorced man upset with custody arrangements. The court heard as he drove to the Westgate Bridge, Freeman spoke to his ex-wife over the phone. He told her, "Say goodbye to your children." Freeman then asked Darcy to climb into the front of the car. He then carried her to the railings and, as one witness described, threw her like a rag doll. It prompted his 8-year-old son to tell him Darcy couldn't swim. Defence lawyer David Brussman said Freeman was mentally impaired at the time. Admitting it was a trite phrase, he asked the jury to consider, was Mr. Freeman mad or was he bad? Mr. Brussman agreed Arthur Freeman perpetrated an horrific act, but he asked the jury should he be condemned for killing his daughter or treated. The trial will hear from a number of psychiatrists, some of whom don't believe Freeman was suffering a mental illness. Sarah Farnsworth, ABC News, Melbourne.